taxi to arrive, and the taxi will take us to the Miami harbor area. Then we will go on board the cruise ship.
Amazing!
Are you excited?
Yes, I'm very excited.
Are you excited? Yes or no? So now we are here at the port area, and you can see our boat there. We just checked in our luggage, and now we are going through the security. We are going into the terminal, so I don't think I can record there. To the ship. Now we are boarding the ship. You can see there. So we are now on board. This is nice.
I love it.
Now we are going to eat some food. I took a burger, pizza, pasta.
Some pasta with plants, salami pizza, salad, and bread.
That's nice. Look at this view. Take one. So we are here at the boat, and this is the upper deck. There's a pool there and a bar. It's real nice. There is Miami downtown. It's real nice. The first thing we do is to go to the kids area to play. So here is my room. There's a balcony with a jacuzzi. So I can sit here on the evenings and watch over the sea. There's the view. A lot of rooms here. I really like this jacuzzi. Here is a bed. Here's another bed for all the clothes. And here is the toilet. Yeah. Okay, so we now have our rooms and everything is done. And we are gonna take a boat tour. We will go around the whole ship. So now we are here at the elevator. So here is an art gallery on the boat. Cool. It's cool. They have a chocolate bar here. A lot of chocolate. Shopping stores. Yeah. You can dance here.
Maybe you wanted to book an excursion and you ended up booking another one.
Best place on this boat, the casino. I want to play here all day. Sports bar in the middle. Really nice. Spider-Man. One-armed bandit. Nice. We need to play on this. It's really luxury. Nice. It's like a bar with a dance floor. Nice. Oh, look at this ice cream. Thank you. It was free because we have this dance. You put a coin in and then you choose the track you want to hear. Racing simulator. So they have bowling on a cruise ship. That's it. So it's New Year's Eve today and we are heading to the restaurant. The time is 8 o'clock and it's 4 hours left of 2017. So we have these nice 2018 glasses to celebrate more.
Now we're going to eat some New Year's dinner.
Yeah.
3 courses.
So here is the restaurant and we are next in line. Thank you. Here is the menu for New Year's Eve. Souffle starter. I will go for the lobster. Applewood smoked bacon wrapped fillet mignon and cold water lobster tail.
Cheers! Cheers!
Meat and lobster and risotto. It's real nice. I really like the lobster.
I love lobster. Thank you.
Awesome.
Just look at this. This looks amazing. No.
No. The theater is over and we're heading to the celebration and a casino to earn some cash. It was a magic show. So now we're heading to the casino to win some big cash.
And on after that, we're going to the New Year's Eve party.
Celebration. Yeah, so first we need to win some cash and then we can go to the celebration. Whoa!
150!
Yeah! Here.
Ooh, I know that was close. Oh! 250!
I know this one is sold, but here are your 240 meters.
Thank you. Okay, it works.
In about 20 minutes, it's 2018, so let's go!
Tonight's gonna be
Ladies and gentlemen, you're listening to DJ Cut.